idol. So, how was the experience of training? Baka pwede nyo kaming bigyan ng context.
It was really nice actually. We really enjoyed training in different versions, kumbaga. So the P-pop way and the K-pop way. It was nice that us Horizon got to experience that and we got to feel the difference as well. Kasi when we were training in Korea, medyo mas strict sila sa oras. So we really have to allot the time specifically. So if we're gonna do dancing for this and singing that time, dapat talaga we follow the time. Yun talaga yung pinaka difference niya, kumbaga. And I think it was also great then na we got to train together and we really got to, kumbaga, porsiki together kasi we got to share our hardships and that really built our team chemistry. So,
Yes. We all can see that, di ba? Parang grabe rin yung nilabas yung effort talaga together. How about you?
From the get-go, it was so nice to have the best of both worlds from both here in the Philippines sa training and then sa Korea. But I guess yung pinaka-difference is a lot of our training in Korea, it was very structured because we had focus. We had focuses kasi may positions na kami when we got to Korea. So, of course, me and Marcus, we had vocal lessons. And the other members would have rap lessons, and we also had language. We had a lot of dance training, which was very rigorous, and that's something that we are very proud of because napagdaanan talaga namin until midnight or even past midnight. We were training and just dancing. Kahit galing kami sa event, kahit galing kami sa music shows sa Korea, after that we'd still be practicing, we'd still be doing our routine of perfecting yung mga performances namin.
yeah, I think it really shows na a lot happens behind the scenes and a lot happens behind our anchors' eyes. And that's why we're very happy every time we get to perform kasi that's kind of our moment to really make the most of the practices that we got and it really makes it worth it then.
Yeah, it's true because I think idols they cook in the practice room and then they serve the full dish on stage. But of course, kasi if we didn't practice, we would be not showing anything. We would not be serving anything.
Yes.
So there's lots of time that nabubuhos sa practice studio and that's something that we really like to do.
Yeah.
Even if it's hard. Yeah, it's very hard.
It's
Very hard. But
Because
we love
it's
it.
your dream.
Yeah.
Yeah. So